Hello, hello, hello! Hi everyone! Good to see you again. Today's video we're going to make an easy peasy yet delicious snack that made of zucchini. But don't forget, this is still full of chocolatey. So let's see how we make it. Let's start with the zucchini. I think we're going to prepare only 1.5 zucchini in order to get 1.5 cup of shredded zucchini. Let's see. Squeeze the juice out of the shredded zucchini, then just keep the water for now. It's time to prepare the dry ingredients. Flour in, chocolate powder in, baking soda in, salt in, brown sugar in. Then we can start to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now it's time to wet ingredients. So, for the wet ingredients we have melted butter, oil, vanilla extract, and eggs. And give it a nice and quick mix. Then, yes, it's time to add the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients and then just mix them until well combined. If you think that your batter is too dry or too thick, feel free to add some of the zucchini juice into the mixture. It's time to prepare your muffin tins and don't forget to have them whisked. Using an ice cream scoop, divide the batter into the muffin tin. Lastly, add your favorite topping on the top of the muffin. When you're ready, we can bake the zucchini muffin for around 15 to 25 minutes. Ta-da! Finally, our chocolate zucchini muffins are ready! These muffins are good for your breakfast, dessert, or even healthy snack for kids. You just need to try this at home. Let the muffins cool, then we're going to try a little bit later. how beautiful this muffin. soft, rich of chocolate, and don't forget, it contains zucchini. Also, they are so tasty. Because one muffin, it's not enough. Thank you guys for watching. And don't forget to try this easy peasy recipe at home. See you again next time. Bye!